Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hello,
how have you
Rajni.
been? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. So actually, we didn't talk for a long time. So after a long time, we're talking here now. So are you reading now?
Sorry?
Are you are you reading now? I can see pen
Yeah, I have
on
prepared some questions for you.
on your hand.
I guess you have some network issues, right?
Yeah,
Your video
like
was frozen and your voice was also not audible. Is
am I
everything
audible
okay?
now?
Now you're audible, yes.
Okay. So actually, I was talking. I was telling that I saw you on a status. Okay, WhatsApp status that you have joined a wedding ceremony. So how was that wedding ceremony?
Yeah, that was great. And after so long, I have attended a wedding ceremony, and it was a ceremony of my friend from school. And we all friends have met after, I guess, 8 years.
Okay,
Yeah, and we enjoyed a lot. We ate a lot together. Yeah, we danced there.
that's great thing. You have enjoyed a lot. And another question that is, when we meet first time, and you told me that you were graduate in Korean language. Okay, so how was that? Can you explain it? Like uh, like Korean, in which field did you complete your graduation?
In which field? It was only in language.
Language. Okay.
Yeah.
And
As you
how
know,
was
students do this in English, like first English, graduation in English, then masters also in English. Like that, I have done graduation only and in Korean, but now I'm planning to pursue my masters in English.
okay? That's great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, I'm not sure about it, but I'm just planning two or three things. So whatever will gonna work for me, I'll pursue that.
Okay. That's nice thing.
What are
You
you
have
planning to do?
no. I have no plan right now.
Hmm.
Within 2 or 3 months, I will be graduate in English literature, and
Okay.
I am planning for MA. Okay, and I'm not sure now. Okay, but I will see what I will take after my graduation. Okay,
Mhm.
and I have to I have to gain more knowledge in English because
Yes.
not enough. Okay, and I have to know more and more things, especially in speaking. Okay, I have to develop a lot. That's all. Yeah.
So is it a little difficult, like spoken English? What is the difference between spoken English and the English which you are learning in your graduation or in the masters?
Like in literature means in the course we are doing, the course is totally different from the speaking, because in the course, I mean, in English literature you have to read all the literature like Indian literature, okay, which is written in English, the African literature, the American literature, and the English literature. Okay, and you have to also you have to have the knowledge about theories. Okay, like criticism and theories like Marxism, okay, feminism, all the theories you have to like study, and also like you know some studies related to mind, some studies related to human mind. Okay, so we have to study all the chapters, and like Darwin, Darwin,
Mm-hmm.
the theory of revelation, who also did this theory. Okay, so there are different kind of theories you have to read. Yeah.
So it help you in spoken also, because for spoken you need to have the proper knowledge about other about all different uh, aspects or areas of culture or things like that. and from there I guess you're getting the idea and knowledge, and then you can apply and you can use and you can talk about that. So this is, I guess, good because for spoken people do practice, but they have this problem that they don't have the topic on which topic they should practice. But if you are doing masters and your graduation in English, I guess you have a lot of different topics which you can talk about.
Yeah, now it is okay. Yeah, you
Yeah.
have told right. Yeah, that's a great point you have told. Because when you are starting on various field, okay, like culture, tradition, okay, so you are gaining so many things. You are gaining so many information from the various culture around the world. Okay, so that's great. Yeah.
Okay, I want to ask you one thing. Like, I guess it's been a while when we talked. So, what are you doing these days in terms of spoken English, and how many people do you have interact with?
Like I actually I can't count the number of people. Okay, but three or four people I always talk with them. Okay,
Didn't
and
get anything because there was a network issue again, and your audio was totally broken.